is ready for summer? Raise your hand if you're ready. I know I'm ready. We need some warm weather, right guys? And we've had a hard year, so I just think we need some fun. I am ready for some summer fun. And one thing that's fun for me about the summertime is listening to my summer jams, driving down the street in the car on my way to wherever I'm going, turning up my music, because music makes everything better, doesn't it? It also sometimes gives you the confidence that you need when you are gearing up for something, like a game, right? You put your headphones on, you're gearing up for this game you're going to so you can win. So we are going to talk about pressing play, but we're not talking about pressing play for our favorite music. We're talking about pressing play to turn up our confidence. And this month we are going to take a look at building our confidence so that we can be ready for the next school year. You guys, this month we are going to define confidence as this. Confidence is learning to see yourself the way God sees you. Because the reality is this, you guys, God values us and He loves us. Gear up, get ready as we press play.
Know the reason why my feet can't stop, my heart can't help but sing. It's a wonderful feeling to feel your love for me, to feel the joy you bring. Your love is the answer, so I sing to you. The reason is you, Jesus.
You're why I'm singing now.
The reason is you, Jesus.
You're what it's all about.
The cross, you set me free, and I'm thankful that you love me. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I'm thankful that you love me. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I know the reason why my hands are up, my feet dance down below. It's a wonderful feeling that I belong to you, no matter where I may go. Your love is the answer, so I sing to you. The reason is you, Jesus.
You're why I'm singing now.
The reason is you, Jesus.
You're what it's all about.
At the cross you set me free, and I'm thankful that you love me. Whoa. Jesus, you're the reason. I never wanna shake this feeling. Jesus, you're the reason. I can't stop this feeling. Jesus, you're the reason. I never wanna shake this feeling. Jesus, you're the reason. The reason is you, Jesus.
You're why I'm singing now.
The reason is you, Jesus.
You're what it's all about.
At the cross you set me free, and I'm thankful that you love me. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. So thankful that you love me. Whoa,
I'm Brandon. This is the So and So Show. Normally, my co-host John would be here, but today I guess he decided to. What is going on?
Brandon, would you like some coffee? Whoa! Whoa! How is that coffee mug floating? It's crazy, right?
It's definitely crazy.
Ooh, Brandon. I know that you're freaked out because you can't see me, but don't be. Just keep doing the show. Like I'm here, standing beside you.
Okay. Anyway,
Because I am.
is there a point to all this?
Isn't there always a point to what I do?
Almost never.
The point is, Brandon, you rely on me way too much to do this show. And I want you to feel like you have the confidence to do this show when I'm not around. That's why I'm wearing this green screen, to make myself invisible.
Okay. I think that only works when you're on a green
Oh no,
screen.
Brandon!
I
Whoa! The coffee mug's floating around. Better get one more sip of Java. Wow!
don't want any more. Anyway, today we're talking about confidence.
Look at the cube floating. This magnificent geometrical shape is solving itself. Whoa. Whoa.
It's already solved. Anyway,
Whoa.
we're talking about confidence, and we're trying to learn.
I'm super chicken. Look at me, I'm super chicken.
We're trying to learn how to see ourselves the way God sees us.
See yourself, see me. Oh, how did my head just show up? How did my head just show up? Oh, no, it's blocking you.
Yeah.
It's floating.
Say, I thought I was trying to learn how to do the show by myself.
Say no more.
Okay.
Give me a second.
Wish it worked.
Yeah, hold on.
All right.
With my zippers down my shirt.
Oh boy.
Here we go. Okay, go.
Thank you. Today on the show, we're talking about
No, I'm
confidence.
sorry. I'm sorry. I can't do it, man. I thought I could just stand here silently doing nothing, but you know what? I can't do that to you, pal. I just
Yeah.
can't. Let's play a game.
Okay, but what kind of game could we possibly play when I can't even see you?
Oh, right. A simple one, mayhaps. For instance, how many fingers am I holding up?
How many fingers am I holding up?
Ready?
3. You're holding up 3 fingers.
How about now?
1,
How about now?
4, 6, 0.
Okay, this is too easy. Let's play a different game. Let's play Marco Polo.
Marco Polo.
You know how to play Marco Polo. You will say Marco, and I will say Polo. Then you'll have to locate me just by the sound of my voice. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ready?
Marco,
Polo.
you're right there.
What?
By the chair.
I don't understand why this is. Okay, you know what? Let's play one more game.
We don't need to keep doing this. I can see you.
What? I'm invisible. If I'm not invisible, what's the point of me coming out here wearing this spandex suit?
I don't know, silly sight gag.
I don't do silly sight gags. I'm serious, man.
Dodgeball.
Are you sure about this? No? Are you sure about this, John?
You can't hit me. I'm invisible. Oh, 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 oh. Ooh.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Could have been a lot worse.
How's that?
Oh, that, oh, that.
It's Bible story time with Kellen.
Oh.
What's up, fellas?
Tell him I'm invisible.
Sorry, he might be concussed. What are we talking about today, Kellen?
Today's story is about 3 guys who went through something terrifying, but
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
what?
3 ordinary men who had the confidence to stand up for what they believed.
What is happening right now?
We'll hear their story today on Behind the Bible. The Babylonian king, Nebuchadnezzar, ordered the construction of a golden 90-foot tall statue.
Oh, yeah. I love that statue. I remember thinking one day, I wonder if I could get a 90-foot gold statue made. And my officials was like, sure. I mean, let me tell you, it's good to be the king.
Okay, to be clear, King Nebuchadnezzar never gave any on-camera interviews. He lived hundreds of years ago before cameras were even invented.
Hey,
Yes?
this will go a lot faster if you let me do the narrating.
Okay.
Thank you. Nebuchadnezzar decreed that whenever the music was played, everyone must fall down and worship his statue. Anyone who disobeyed this command would be thrown into a blazing furnace.
Okay, look, it seemed like a good idea at the time. I mean, what's a little worship between the king and his subjects? But how could I have known what was gonna happen next?
No one could have known what would happen next. When the music played, all the people worshipped the statue, all except for 3 men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
It's true. We didn't bow down to worship the statue. Look, we serve the king, but we don't worship him or his gods. We worship the one true God.
King Nebuchadnezzar was displeased.
Okay, listen. No king likes to be told no. So when I heard these 3 wouldn't worship my statue, I was angry. I remember saying to them, if you don't bow down right now, you're going in the furnace. Then what God will be able to save you from my power? Yeah, I was in a good place.
Look, we weren't gonna worship the statue, no matter what. So we said to the king, we might be thrown into the blazing furnace, but the God that we serve is able to bring us out of it alive. But we want you to know this, Your Majesty. Even if we knew that our God wouldn't save us, we still wouldn't serve your gods. We wouldn't worship the gold statue that you set up.
I was so mad, like so mad. I ordered that the furnace be heated 7 times hotter than normal. And then I had some of my strongest soldiers to tie up Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego and throw them into the furnace.
The fire was so hot, the soldiers who threw Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego into the furnace were burned up.
But that wasn't the end of the story.
It sure wasn't.
King Nebuchadnezzar looked into the furnace, and instead of seeing the 3 tied up men, he saw 4 men, and they were walking around. Who was the 4th man in the furnace? Was it a ghost? An angel sent from heaven? Maybe even Jesus himself? We don't know for sure. But what we do know is that Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego came out of the fire unharmed.
The ropes that were tied around us, they burned up. But the rest of us, our clothes, our hair, our bodies, they were perfectly fine. God was with us the whole time.
Clearly, I was wrong about the whole statue thing. I mean, their God was the Most High God. So I gave Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego very high positions in the city. And get this, I decreed that anyone who said anything bad about them would be cut into tiny little pieces and their homes would be turned into piles of trash. Right? That's good, right?
That was a little much, but we appreciate the gesture.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego's faith was tested. But in the end, they had confidence that God would be with them, no matter what. This has been Behind the Bible.
The end.
Excuse me. That's my line.
Oh.
The end.
Can I?
Oh, sure. It's all yours.
Thanks. What'd you think, fellas?
That was great.
Yeah, I loved how they said that they knew God would save them, but even if he didn't, they'd still stand for what's right.
Yeah. Talk about confidence.
I know, but don't miss this. God was with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego the whole time. And God is with us too, so we don't have to face the hard stuff alone.
That's amazing. Hey, thanks, Kellen.
You bet. See you next time.
Bye. You see, John, when you're not around, I'm still not alone. God is always with me.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Well, in that case.
I ever want to get my lips and my hair cut in the zipper.
Okay.
It's all you.
Oh boy. Reveal the question. When are some times you need to trust God?
Would you feel all alone?
Or when you have to face something scary, like moving to a new city or trying out for a sports team?
Talk about it amongst yourself. When are some times you need to trust God?
And we'll see you next time on the So-and-So Show.
Or will you be able to see me?
Yes! Marco?
Porno!
John?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, there you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't find you because you're wearing the green screen suit.
Okay. You okay?
Yeah, tag. I don't know. Sorry, you're it.
Okay. Marco.
Oh, hello.
Oh, you're right there.